Ever been ambushed by a sudden toothache in the middle of the night? It's a common occurrence, unfortunately. Toothaches often strike without warning, thanks to a variety of causes, from cavities to gum disease. The pain can be intense, enough to keep you tossing and turning. But don't despair. There are several home remedies right at your fingertips that can provide temporary relief until you can visit your dentist. So, what are these home remedies? Let's delve right into them. First up, we have clove oil, a natural analgesic that numbs pain and reduces inflammation. For toothache relief, simply soak a cotton ball in clove oil and apply it to the pained area. Temporary comfort in a pinch. Clove oil is a handy remedy to have in your medicine cabinet. Next, we have vanilla extract, a perfect solution for your toothache troubles. Just dab a bit of this lovely aroma onto a cotton ball and apply it directly to the aching tooth. Vanilla extract not only soothes pain, but also has a pleasant aroma. Garlic and salt water, two traditional remedies that have stood the test of time. Garlic, that pungent little powerhouse, can be used by crushing a fresh clove and applying it directly to the aching tooth. Its natural antibacterial properties can help soothe the pain. Salt water, on the other hand, is a simple yet effective solution. Just swish a warm mixture of salt and water in your mouth for about 30 seconds. While not the most pleasant, these remedies can provide significant relief. Last but not least, the humble cold compress. It's a straightforward solution, really. Apply it to the face to numb the area, reducing the swelling and pain. So don't underestimate the power of cool relief. A cold compress is a simple but effective way to fight back against toothache. Toothaches can be a real pain, but these remedies can help you get through the night. Remember, clove oil, vanilla extract, garlic, salt water, and a cold compress can provide temporary relief. But for persistent pain, see a dentist. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Home Remedies for Life for more tips and tricks.